Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I am going to draw a teddy bear, so let's get started. First, start by drawing a curve here. Now just following with me. Draw the ears. Two round big eyes. Inside with a circle and another smaller circle. A curve inside. With 3 lines. And the nose. The mouth. Now draw the ribbon. Slowly, just following with me. Now draw the body. Slowly, just following with me. Now we have a teddy bear. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.